Chapter 4. Traditional Ceremonies. It is the day of the wedding. Family and friends come together for the ceremony. There are lots of different ceremonies, of course, but some things happen all over the world. In a traditional Western wedding, the groom, the families, and all the other guests come to the church first and wait there for the bride. The groom doesn't usually see the bride on the morning of the wedding or the night before, because it is bad luck. The bride and her bridesmaids arrive at the church together, often in a big, expensive car. Then some music begins to play, and the bride walks slowly into the church with her father. In the ceremony, the father gives the bride to the groom, and the bride leaves her family and makes a new family with the groom. The wedding officiant asks the man, "Do you take this woman to be your wife?" He answers, "I do." The officiant then asks the woman, "Do you take this man to be your husband?" And she answers, "I do." In many ceremonies around the world, the couple drink from the same cup. In China, the bride and groom drink wine from special cups. Then they give the cups to each other and drink again. In Bulgaria and Russia, the couple drink 3 times from the same glass. And in France, they have wine from a very beautiful cup, a coupe de mariage. This special cup stays in the family for many years. In Japan, the bride and groom have a drink called sake. The groom drinks first, then the bride, and then the parents of the couple drink too. Because the bride and groom are beginning a new life together, in many countries, someone ties the couple together. In a Hindu ceremony, a white thread goes around the couple 5 times. In Cambodia, every guest carefully ties a thread around the couple's hands. And in Thailand, 2 white threads go between the heads of the bride and groom. The Hopi people of Arizona, in the USA, cut some hair from the bride and some from the groom. They then tie the hair together, and the couple are married. In many countries, rings are a very important part of the ceremony. Sometimes only the bride gets a ring, and sometimes the bride and the groom have a wedding ring. But, of course, rings aren't a new thing. Thousands of years ago, Egyptian grooms gave a ring to their brides. And the Romans had wedding rings too. In some traditional ceremonies, the man or the woman breaks something. At a Jewish wedding, the groom breaks a glass with his foot. This brings good luck. In Bulgaria, the bride quickly throws a plate to the ground. When the plate breaks, it gives the couple good luck too. In many countries, the bride and groom write their names in a special book. And the witnesses write their names too. In a Muslim wedding, the bride and groom put their names on a special paper called the nikah namah. In a Western wedding, the couple write their names in the special book near the end of the ceremony. Then music plays, and the newly married husband and wife leave the ceremony together with their friends and families.